Guangxi Huayuan Environmental Protection Technology Company Limited, established in 2012, is a large-scale and high-tech enterprise integrating manufacturing of equipment of water purification and sewage treatment and engineering construction, installation, operation, and trusteeship and consumables distribution. It is located in the high-tech zone of Wuzhou, Guangxi Province, and covers an area of 17,200 square meters. The company strives to follow the good business policy, customer first, win by quality, customizing solutions for customers. The company has more than 15 years of experiences in water purification industry and currently has 36 R&D personnel and more than 20 invention patents, has participated in the formulation of multiple national standards and industry standards. In addition, the company possesses qualifications of construction, municipal public engineering construction, general contract of mechanical and electrical engineering construction, and construction labor service and professional contract qualification of environmental protection engineering. The company's products of water purification equipment have passed the inspection of the authoritative department. Our main business involves reverse osmosis equipment, UF ultrafiltration system, EDI ultrapure water equipment, seawater desalination equipment, sewage water treatment equipment, design and manufacturing of water dispensers, etc. Products are exported to Vietnam, Cambodia, Myanmar, Asia, the Middle East, Africa, and other countries and regions. Huayuan will unswervingly follow the path of ecological priority and green development, improve water quality, and purify the water environment. The company is committed to providing customers with better and more efficient services.